All right, so what if Arsenal should win the Champions League with Mikel Arteta? What if? Stay tuned. Please, I have some really good content for you guys. Hit the like button. I would really appreciate that. And guess what? So let's get into the matter of details. Let's get into the meat of the matter. What would happen if Mikel Arteta win the Champions League? Maybe in the next 2 years from now, maybe in the next year, we'll tell. But first thing first, finally, Arsenal would have an European title. That's the first thing first. Secondly, those guys next door to us, Chelsea, would have nothing over us. And that would be a significant landmark in Arsenal history, that Chelsea Football Club won't have anything European title over us, because that is what they have been using to really demoralize us for the longest time period. I do believe that they have used that rope, hanged it over our neck, and that has been keeping us maybe at bay for the longest while. So despite we have more trophies than them, they have European titles, and those European titles are significant in every discussion, every battle, if heated argumental battle. Those European titles seems to come a bit handy for them. So I'll be saying we have the Invincibles. Guess what? They have the European League, they have Champions League. So those are their blows, and that is what they use to throw their blows. And the argument goes on. Okay, so third, the Arteta Out fan base would diminish. The Arteta Out fan base would diminish because first thing first, you're going to say that what I'm saying right now can't happen and will never happen. Guess why? Because they just don't like Arteta and they don't expect it from him. They don't want it to happen. But that is how it is. But at the end of the day, you won't see them on Twitter, in which they are very volatile on Twitter. Volatile, also violent on Twitter, very aggressive. Yeah, we all know. But anyways, just what if? Again, now next one is, would Arteta be considered Arsenal maybe second greatest ever manager, or compete with Arsene Wenger for the greatest ever manager winning the European Champions League? Would, just what if? So you guys put it in the comments, if Arteta should win the Champions League with Arsenal, would he be better than Arsene Wenger, or would he rank equally to Arsene Wenger, or would he rank below Arsene Wenger, or the second best manager in the history of the club? Just what if? It's just what if. We have never won a European title, a European Champions League, or even a European UEFA European League, a UEFA European League. So just what if? So these are my what ifs for what would happen if for this video. Guys, please hit the like button, please. I really appreciate it, and go in the comment section and tell me what if. I know most of you are gonna say, "Are you mad?" Yes, I am mad. I am definitely mad. So guys, hit it in the comment section. Tell me what you know. Military Gunner TV. Go like, subscribe if you wish for fun content like these. This is the first what if that I've sent out. So guys, big up. What if?